Hi everyone, welcome once again to 78 Days of Tarot. Today we're going to be talking about the Six of Swords. To begin with, let's take a minute to just look at the card. And what we see? Always pay attention into keeping in mind what you notice when you pull out the card. For example, you might pull this card and notice his red boots. So that color or that the force and his willingness to take this boat across might indicate you something in the reading. If you notice the source, pay attention that you notice the source. What indicates this? Maybe it's complications that comes from the past, it's complications that gradually had started kind of not knowing, and then having to make a decision, and then have knowing and feeling a hurtful decision, and after taking a break into all these complications, finding something out, realizing something. And after this realization, some time has passed, and now the person or these people that are in this car have decided to move to a different situation, to a different energy. Another thing I would like you to notice is the water. Like you can see over here on this side, what they are leaving behind, the waters are really moving, are really going back and forth and maybe crashing into the boat. But we can clearly see that ahead is the water is not like that. It looks calm, and it looks even inviting. It looks nice, looks like the sun is shining on it, etc. Things like that. The first thing I want just to put in your mind that it could be important in the future is to notice something on the card and paying attention to the details. Noting something on the card can give you extra things to talk about also. Okay, so now let's move into what I have for this card. So this card indicates sadness, recovery, picking up the pieces, because after difficult situations, it's clearly set in mind, okay, I'm willing to try. Let's move from these rocky waters to calm waters. I hope the glare is not affecting the look in the car. Let's move, changing the energy, um, going for a journey. And I will indicate this journey when it comes to source. It's a lot of inner feelings. It's truths that we have discovered in the past. Maybe this couple was just about to separate and break out. And when you get the Six of Swords, then maybe you can say, maybe you had complications in your family, but I can see in the with your partner, but I can see how you have made up your mind to resolve the situations, to move into a more positive or calm environment. This environment could be in the home or in the job. It's a realization and willingness to, okay, what do we need to do? Let's fix this situation. It's a cooperation, tying the ends, going on a journey, willing to leave things in the past, maybe leave family in the past, maybe leave people behind that had maybe hurt you or had caused some kind of upset in you in your family life. Because one thing I wanna see, I put all these cards here for me, so I can show you like the realization. There is a truth. It's a new beginning, a new understanding. Then you got a new understanding. You have to make up your mind. What am I going to do? You have to choose something. Choosing something always involves Is it the right thing or is not the right thing? Hurtful truth that you find out you are really hurt inside, and this is gonna take maybe a long period of time to recuperate from this heartache and deep emotions and situations. You are on your way to recuperating, and you are ready. You have taken a break from all these complications. After this, you will be ready. But and then here in the 5, you found out again that not only your partner was cheating on you, maybe even other people knew about it, and then you like, okay, that's it. I'm not going to do this no more. I'm leaving this behind. I'm packing my stuff and I'm leaving because I don't wanna have this uncertainty or hurtful feelings in my heart anymore. Leaving this water behind, leaving the emotions behind, will allow you to begin again. It's a new beginning. Maybe you're gonna travel. Maybe you're gonna move into a new house. Maybe you're gonna move across the ocean just to put distance in between whatever has happened in the past. Because times you forgive once, okay, it's okay. Let's try it again. I'm willing. And then when you trying again, trying to forgive, something else happens. Some other awareness comes into the picture, and this is when you decide, I had enough. I'm moving away. I'm not going to keep forgiving you. You pack your things and you move. When you get the 6 of Swords, and it could be let's put it in a in a family. Maybe some things had happened. Maybe you have realized something about your partner, and you are moving out. You are moving out. If you are not moving out by yourself, then you are willing to try now. You are willing to try to solve the situations. This is entering in a new state of mind, in a new understandings, or new new feelings, new understanding, new knowing, new findings in the future. So with this card, let's put a few keywords to remember. Okay, uh, after situations or things that happen, you are on your way to recovery. Maybe this card indicates a travel, going somewhere, putting distance in between all the hurtful situations and in the past, leaving things in the past, um, keeping ahead and keeping your head above the water, going into a journey, picking up all the pieces from any hurtful situation from the past. Like I said, it could involve not only you, more people around you. Um, and in this moving to a new situations, when you are in the process of moving, you have hope again. You have hope again because there is you can see ahead. You can see ahead, and you are clearly and aware that where you are moving and what you are doing at the moment is in the right direction. Okay, so moving from one frame of mind to another frame of mind. This card also indicates sadness, leaving people you love behind, leaving the past in the past, willing to cooperate, willing to say, okay, what do we need to do to fix the situation? Um, Please, if you have any additional meanings for the changes in the travel that this card indicates, this card is also still very, very much in emotions and feelings and truth. So that is another thing to keep in mind when reading this card. And let's say that you get this card asking, where will I meet somebody? Maybe during a vacation, or maybe you will travel across the ocean, and that's where you will meet somebody. Maybe on the beach, and the water and a boat and a gathering and a boat, or a celebration, from from someone that was sick and now is getting better. Let's say that if you ask, when will I get a job, I would say, if you ask when would you find a job, this is maybe you have to change a little you mind frame, and this is going to allow you to see more ahead, to be patient, and to understand what has hurt you in the past, applications you had put, that you have to acknowledge and change for a better future. In relationships, I would say that you are moving from a hurtful situation. You are willing to solve, to begin again, to embark in a new journey, even though always leaving things behind, people behind, and hurtful feelings behind is not easy. But in the journey, in the process of this journey, you might be a little disconnected, or keeping to yourself, because this also indicates, if you are coming from a hurtful situation, it's not going to be easy. Healing and understanding and really seeing what's ahead, it takes time. So be patient with yourself. Do not hurry. Do not hurry into making any rash decisions, or feeling like you have to get there in a hurry, because you are not going to get there any faster. Once you embark into something, things take time, and there's nothing you can do to hurry it or to get there faster. This might indicate a process or a time frame of 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months, to really begin seeing all this new understanding and moving into all these calm waters that the card is showing in the near future. That is all I have for now. Thank you for allowing me once again. Please subscribe, please like the video, share this video with anybody you think it will benefit from, and share it with your friends, share it in a group, share it everywhere. Thank you. I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye.